All right, let's talk about choosing your products and where you should start. You want to start with easy varieties to build your confidence. So obviously it's just broccoli, that's the best variety for you health-wise, everything else. So start with the broccoli. We use a Walton 29, find the best growth out of that one. Peas, start with speckled peas. We start with speckled peas. You can use green peas or dun peas. We just like speckled peas, good for us, and people like them better, we've found out. So start with speckled pea and then go into a radish. So we use a Triton purple radish. Find that's the best flavor for us. It gets red stems, it looks good. So you got a little bit of color item as well. A mixed variety, so like spicy salad mix from True Leaf is good. So just find a mixed variety that you like. And then sunflowers. These are ones you kind of got to have in a business, in the microgreen business. You don't necessarily, but we suggest having sunflowers because they add a great for mixes that you can make down the road. And we can get more in that talk later. But sunflower, just got to deal with the seed hulls getting off. And we got some tips and tricks on our YouTube channels. You can watch how they do that, but they are the most pain in the butt ones. So number 5 on the list for a reason. So number 5, which is just starting with and build your confidence. Now, if you're going to go after restaurants, let's say your business strategy is to go after restaurants, you're going to want to pick varieties that have some color and bold flavors. So you're going to want a red amaranth, beets, cilantro, leeks, variety of like basils, so both flavors. Keep in mind that these are much longer grows and they're going to take up space. So if you only got one rack, I do not suggest this. I don't suggest getting these varieties that are going to take multiple weeks to grow until you get like 3 or 4 racks at best. Once you get in them, then you got some room. But if you got room and you're starting with 4 racks, you can grow these pretty fast right away after you get down the top 5 of how to grow them. If you're already growing some of this stuff, congratulations, but you know that they're going to be some longer times than that. So then what we suggest to start with and what products you choose from. We'll see you in the next one.